Deep within the rainforests of Indonesia, where heat, humidity, and dense vegetation limit visibility to just a few meters, lives one of the most elusive predators on Earth. A snake of exceptional size, rarely seen, difficult to measure, and, until recently, largely undocumented. In 2026, researchers confirmed the existence of a female reticulated python measuring over 7.2 meters in length. She is now considered the longest wild snake ever reliably recorded. They call her the Baroness. Tropical Southeast Asian forests are among the most biologically dense ecosystems on the planet. Layers of vegetation, from canopy to forest floor, create a complex, multi-level habitat. Light is filtered, movement is obscured, and for ambush predators, this environment offers a significant advantage. The Baroness belongs to the species Malaopython reticulatus, commonly known as the reticulated python. It is already recognized as the longest snake species in the world. Most individuals reach between 3 to 6 meters. Specimens exceeding 6 meters are rare. Individuals beyond 7 meters are exceptional. At over 7 meters in length, the Baroness exceeds typical size ranges by a significant margin. Her body mass, though difficult to measure precisely in the wild, is estimated to exceed 100 kilograms. This scale is not just a statistic. It fundamentally changes the animal's ecological role. Reticulated pythons are ambush predators. They rely on stillness, camouflage, and precise timing. Using heat-sensitive pits along their jaws, they detect warm-blooded animals even in low visibility. When prey approaches, the strike is rapid. The snake seizes the animal with curved teeth, then coils its body around it. Contrary to common belief, death is not caused by crushing bones. Instead, constriction restricts blood circulation, leading to rapid loss of consciousness. Large pythons operate under a different metabolic strategy than most predators. They do not hunt frequently. A single large meal, such as a deer or wild pig, can sustain them for weeks or longer. This efficiency allows them to survive, even in environments where prey encounters are unpredictable. Reaching extreme size requires a combination of factors: consistent access to prey, minimal injury or disease, and time. Growth in snakes is continuous, though it slows with age. The Baroness represents what happens when these conditions align over many years. However, there are limits. As size increases, mobility decreases, energy demands rise, and risk, particularly during hunting, becomes greater. The discovery of the Baroness was not the result of a targeted search. Like many findings in dense rainforest environments, it was incidental. Researchers operating in the region encountered an unusually large python. Initial observations suggested significant size, but only after careful measurement did the full extent become clear. Measuring a wild snake of this scale presents challenges. The animal must be handled safely, stress must be minimized, accuracy must be maintained. Despite these difficulties, the measurement, over 7.2 meters, has been widely reported. What distinguishes this record is that it was documented in the wild, not in captivity, where growth conditions differ significantly. Despite their size, reticulated pythons are not active hunters of humans. Documented incidents are extremely rare. These snakes are generally reclusive and avoid human presence when possible. However, their strength and size mean that encounters, while unlikely, can be dangerous. As apex or near-apex predators, large pythons play an important ecological role. They regulate populations of medium-sized mammals. They influence movement patterns of prey species, and they contribute to maintaining balance within their ecosystems. The removal of such predators can produce cascading effects, altering entire food webs. What makes the Baroness significant is not just her size, but her rarity. In environments as vast and inaccessible as Indonesian rainforests, it is possible that similar individuals exist, unrecorded, unseen. Scientific understanding remains incomplete. The discovery raises broader questions. How often do individuals reach such sizes? What environmental conditions support this growth? And how many remain undocumented? Even today, large portions of tropical ecosystems are only partially studied. At the same time, these environments are changing. Deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and human expansion are reducing the range of large predators. Animals like the Baroness depend on stable ecosystems. Without them, such extremes may become increasingly rare. The Baroness is not simply a record-breaking animal. She represents the upper limits of what a species can achieve under the right conditions. A convergence of biology, environment, and time. In a world where much has been explored, discoveries like this remain possible. Hidden within dense forests, beyond easy reach, nature continues to produce forms that challenge expectation. Somewhere in Indonesia, the Baroness remains, unobserved, unmeasured, again. A reminder that even now, there are limits we do not fully understand.